Hello everyone, this is Cooking with Matthew. Tonight we're going to be doing chicken piccata. I've already got some of my ingredients rounded up here. So I did something for I showed y'all, but I got these chicken breasts. I got some actually beat them out pretty thin. So what you do is you get you a little meat mallet, put some saran wrap down, and put on the table and put chicken breast on there and put some saran wrap on top. You can beat it with the back of one of these, or you can get a meat mallet. I use the back of one of these. I don't know where my meat mallet is. So next I've got a little olive oil in this pan right here getting hot. I've seasoned some flour up right here. And I've seasoned my chicken breast up, but they're pretty thin, as you can see. You want to get the chicken thin. So I'm going to dredge it in a little flour. My pan's getting hot. You can see it smoking a little bit. We'll get my chicken breast going in the pan. I'll just do that. Wash my hands over here. Back, I done got the chicken seared off, put in the oven. It ain't gonna take long to do any of this. The chicken was real thin, but I like to get it seared off real good. Now I've got my onion here. It's better with shallots. I couldn't find no shallots tonight. Tonight was a Piggly Wiggly night, and they didn't have no shallots. So I cleaned my pan out. Sometimes you can do it in the pan, with the same pan you do the chicken in, but some of that flour got a little darker than I like. So just did it like this. So I got my garlic and onions in here. Now this time I'm not going to really measure salt so much. It's not a lot. It's not going to be a lot of pepper either. It's going to be hard. You're going to have to salt and pepper this to taste. I did a little pinch of both. Okay, I'm going to go in here with my white wine. I got it measured out. That's a third a cup. I got a fourth a cup of lemon juice. I'm going to show you what we're looking like over here. That's what we're looking like. I've got some fresh thyme. I've got the measurements I'll give you all here in a little bit. Got my little fresh thyme in there. I've got my capers here. I'm going to measure these out though. I get that juice off of them. Two tablespoons should be good. So we're looking like this now. Got that going down into a reduction. So I got a half pound of butter over here. I'm going to start slowly putting that in. It's going to be like a beurre blanc sort of. I had a request for this. This is the reason why I'm doing this video. One of the doctors of the hospital wanted me to do a chicken piccata video, so I'm doing it. I'm going to try to show y'all the best I can what I'm doing here. You see, this is going to actually thicken everything, the butter itself. You got to add it in slow. This is a white wine butter sauce with capers and shallots and garlic, little salt, little pepper. Sort of like the scampi that I did a while back. See how the sauce is starting to get thick? You can add a little chicken stock if you want. You can use chicken stock to the white wine. You don't want the alcohol. And if the alcohol burns off, so you're not actually going to have no alcohol in this. You see I'm slowly, it's emulsifying. It's making the sauce. Now this sauce can't be reheated, so I wouldn't cook a big batch of this stuff. That's why I did a smaller batch tonight. Look like this is going to be meat, and this is going to be too much for me. This is probably enough for 2, maybe 3 people. I'm going to go ahead and cut the heat off of it. I'm going to pull it over here, off the eye. We're going to finish it right here. Okay, so we're looking good on the sauce. Let me Alright, so that's ready. Chicken should be ready now. I put it in the oven for 350 not long because, like I said, I beat them chicken breasts out and I cooked them pretty much most of the way on the, yeah, they done. Cooked them most of the way on the, so we're going to get one of these here. I got a little pasta here that I've already cooked off. I got some linguine here. Roughly about a ½ pound. I used to have to make this at Gilby's, and we would do this to order every time we got an order of this. I'm going to have to call somebody over to help eat some of this. Find somebody I can take it to. Alright, so got me a plate. Move this other fridge. I finally got my other one up and running, but I still got some stuff stashed away in here. I put me a little Parmesan on that. I wish I had a little parsley, but I don't. That's the way we're looking. That's the way it's looking in the pan after it's done. Chicken piccata, guys. Pretty easy, simple dish. It didn't take me long at all to make it. It's delicious. A good, quick, delicious dish. We'll give it a little taste test now. is on point. So the chicken I just seasoned with, you season the chicken whatever you want to, season flour a little bit, put a little olive oil down, dredge the chicken in there, do what I showed you, and this is the sauce for it. You can double the sauce if you want to do a bigger batch. I'm going to read it off to you. It was 1/3 cup of onion, shallots is best, 1 tablespoon fresh garlic, 1 tablespoon fresh thyme. You can omit the thyme if you don't want it. 1/3 cup of lemon juice, 1/4 cup of white wine, 1/2 pound of butter. Hold on, and I forgot 2 tablespoons of capers. Caper is the main ingredient in this. So I put it back up. Alright guys, that was a quick, easy dish. Y'all have a blessed night.